Freeze! Let me see your hands. Where's the plane you stole?
Oh, that thing? Yeah, we sold it to Tim.
He's using it for his parade float. It's the Chinese New Year.
Parade float? Idiots! That's a $50 million piece of military hardware! And I just renewed the parking sticker!
50 million bucks? Tim got a great deal.
Oh, let's kill this guy and then go get it back.
I can't believe we all missed him.
Well, actually, not killing people is kind of my New Year's resolution.
Really? That's your resolution? You sure there's nothing else you want to work on?
The drone! CIA, I'm commandeering this float. Come on, Stan. The CIA spent years training you for this exact situation. Use that training. So long, suckers.
Give it up! You're surrounded!
Hello?
Dad, get on the drone! I know I let you down, but you gotta trust me!
I hope you know what you're doing.
The prophecy has been fulfilled! The great dragon awakens!
Oh, with a white guy riding him. Awesome.
Steve, you're gonna get me killed!
I told you, Dad, trust me! Look to your left!
It was a really nice float, Tim.
I thought if I won, maybe Susan would come back.
Well, folks, we're finally cleared for takeoff.
Yeah, finally!
Up, false alarm.